Alright, starting with my grips, we have the Cali grips, Primo, with the Primo rebars in a size 9. Down to the stem, we got the Primo Nate Richter signature stem. And then the front wheel have a N4FL polished with Nate Richter Zia pegs. And then running with the frame, I got the Ballast Evo frame set. So this frame comes with the forks and a headset as a combo. Gives it that new hourglass look, tapered frame style. I really recommend it. I like it so far. And then with the cranks, we got the Primo Superbite Connor Keener signature cranks with his signature pedals from Primo. You see that? And to the sprocket, we got the JJ Palmer Primo sprocket with the Primo half-link chain. And then with the back, we have the Primo Free Mix, polished also. With also the Nate Richter Zia pegs. And then with the seat, we have the Primo tripod seat. With the tires, we have the Connor Keating Primo 555C tires. Just came out. Real fat. Good for drops. Recommend them. And that's my bike check.